Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here. So it is now official. The date for Samsung's Unpacked event for the Galaxy Note 10 is going to be on August 7th. They posted this on Twitter just a while ago actually, and it is set to be in New York once again at the same venue as last year for the Galaxy Note 9. And I'm not gonna lie, I am super hyped for this. I cannot wait. You already know I am a huge Samsung fan, and we are getting closer to the unveiling every day that passes by. We are not too far from August 7th, so there have been tons of leaks and rumors about this device, but based off this small clip that Samsung released, it's kind of hard to tell if they are hinting something or not. As you can see, the S Pen is drawing a single camera, so I don't know if that stands for the single front-facing camera at the top center of the display, or if it means there will be a camera in the S Pen. I think that would be a pretty cool feature if they did do that, but we'll just have to wait and see. Nothing is for sure as of yet, but we already know it's going to be a beautiful device with the 3 camera setup in the back and the single hole up front with the best display you can get on any device, because we already know Samsung always provides the best displays out there. And even based off renders and leaked photos, we can already tell this device is going to be a beast. But yes, August 7th is the date. Fingers crossed. I hope I'll get to make it this year once again and get some great content for all of you, so keep your calendars marked. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Who else is excited for this phone as I am? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.